In the tropical rainforest, creatures of all kinds are waiting for the sun to set. Only after dusk can the mysteries of nighttime in the tropical rainforest be discovered. Night in the tropical rainforest is full of life. The evening symphony begins with a chorus of insects and frogs. Soon, many more talented performers join in as well, creating the exquisite notes of the music of nature. In the darkness, senses go on high alert. Having perception, skill, and courage is the only way to create and seize valuable opportunities. But darkness also brings greater danger. Every night, different choices unfold. Lie dormant, seek a mate, get into a fight, or go on the hunt. Every night is full of beauty and many mysteries still waiting to be discovered.